Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new Sony DSC-RX100M2 or M2 if you will. Basically I got this camera to replace my Sony DSC-HX50 that I use for my car videos. While this and my old camera have around the same release date back in 2013, I got this mainly because it's the only one that you can still buy brand new that comes with Sony's multi-interface hot shoe for my microphone. So let's take a look around the box before unboxing it. On the top, Sony, picture of the camera, Cybershot DSC-RX100M2. On the front, again, Sony, picture of the camera and the model. On the bottom, some specifications, what system the camera is compatible with. On the back, Sony, the model, the color which is black, and more specifications regarding the camera itself. On the right of the box, tells you what accessories you can get for the camera, together with more information, the model and the brand. And on the left, the brand, the model, the color, barcode, serial number and all that. So let's take a look inside the box. Pull the tab open. And right on top, we have sort of like an accessories book. The instruction manual, the Wi-Fi connection. Further inside, right here we have the battery itself. It is the same battery that my HX50 uses, which is the BX1, so it's good. Strap for the camera. Right here we have the charging brick. You plug in the cable to charge right here and the USB cable right here. Here we have the charging cable itself with the European 2-pin plug, and as mentioned, this part plugs into this part. And right at the bottom we have I have no idea what this is, but it is inside the box. And right here we have the USB cable. It is a USB-A to micro USB. And lastly, let's put the box aside, we have the camera. In its sleeve, let's take it out. I must say that this is actually the display unit, display unit of the store that I bought it from. So it is actually been unboxed already, but I have not taken a look inside the box yet. So here is the camera. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing of my new Sony Cybershot DSC-RX100M2. Thanks for watching and goodbye.